Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHighCarAudio, and others. Are these 15s? 12s, man, they're really big speakers. Did a good job. I like it, man. This is a really nice box. Really efficient to fit the 6-door with this much cone area. Yeah. Did you build this?
No, I actually bought the truck when it was like that.
Okay.
I think it's tuned 46 in the back and like 33 in the front.
Did a good job, man. I like it. Have you ever tried mounting your subwoofers inverted?
No, I have not.
You haven't? Okay. It would probably help you play a little lower, but then you'll lose a higher squeeze. Yeah. I like it though, man. Looks really good. Did you add these in?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. So could you tell me your name and what's in here for the video?
My name is Brandon. I got SAB2s, 1212s. I got 2 alternators, 270 and a 320. Assault 12K, half on. The doors.
Yeah. Looks really good.
Tweeters, sundown.
Okay. Nice. Did you do any SPL test on it?
No, not this weekend.
You haven't? Okay. Solid roof too. Everything's pretty solid. Holds all the pressure in. I like it. What is your bandwidth like on this box?
I have
No clue? How low do you play frequency wise? You know your limit?
I can get down to 15, 18.
15 to 18? Okay. Heavy door.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you again, Brandon.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate the demo, man. It sounds really good.